So this is the Gillette Venus Swirl Extra Smooth. It's 5 blades in the cartridge, 4 cartridges in here. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. This is what the cartridges look like. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up from the top. The top talks about how this is their most advanced blades. I'm going to open this up and pull one of the cartridges out and look at them really quick. Let me get in close so you can see a little bit of this. Alright, so here are the cartridges. They come, looks like they're taped together, back to back. So I'm going to use my cutting tool to get in there. Alright, so I cut open the tape. And here are the Venus Swirl right here. I'm just going to go open this up. Freshly sealed pack. And let's see what it looks like. And so inside, doesn't slide out, and they do it for a reason. It's so that you can safely insert it into your razor. So I'm going to bring over my razor, my Venus razor, and I'm going to slide it in and get it attached. So I'm just going to take it right there, slide it in. It should snap into place, and then pull it out, just like that. And so it's on the razor, and its grip. Bring it up closer so you can see what it looks like. So there's 5 blades in there, as well as lubrication right here to give you a smooth shave. All right, flexi head, just like that, so it can move on the contours of whatever you're shaving and give you a nice, comfortable shave. So this is the cartridges that come in it. I hope that this was helpful. I'm going to go ahead and bring over the Venus Glide right here. So here's the Venus Glide cartridge, where it only has 3 blades, but there's a lot of lubrication on the top. And here is the Venus Swirl Extra Smooth, where it has 5 blades, but a little bit less lubrication on it. They're both pretty cool. Both of them work. I hope this was helpful. Hope you can use this video of some sort with information. Thanks a lot for watching.